Today I'm going to show you how to assemble the telescope. Let's get started. So what you're going to want to do is that you see these two parts here which are called the altitude controls. The altitude control can come out. You're going to want to take this out until this screw at the edge comes out. You see, this screw at the edge comes out, and you take the other side out. Here is your tabletop telescope with its cap on. Keep the cap on. We're going to take off the cap later. Going to want to put this on. And you're going to now insert this side. And then you're going to want to take that metal piece back, put it back in. You're going to want to twist this until it stays like that. And then this side, twist until the telescope is secure. Now we're going to do the back here. We're going to do the back here. You see the screw back here? This screw, you're going to make it a bit loose so that this part can fit. And then you're going to tighten this screw up here. Take off the plastic top from this part. This part off the end. You're going to insert eye lens 1. So look out of both of your eye lenses and look for number 1. You've got 2 eye lenses, so look for the one that says 1. You're going to the same type of screw here on this side. You're going to make a bit loose, and you're going to connect it like magic. Like that. Now we're going to do this part. You're going to insert this part of the telescope into this part. Done. After that, you now have your tabletop telescope, which you can use after we take the cap off to see all of the stars.